Over the last couple of weeks, I've been doing some basic tool restoration or tool cleanup projects. The results of these cleanups were posted on social media and there was a very positive response. A few people were curious about my methods and what I had done to get the results, so I decided to make some videos to show the process. Because I'm doing this as videos now, it will take longer to get the cleanup projects uploaded. Instead of one a day, it may well be one a week. Well, let's see what happens. I intend to sell these items at some point to raise funds for the Brighton Community Workshop project. All the tools restored so far were inherited from my dad. This is a small brass screwdriver set with 3 different flat head screwdrivers. The set kind of works like one of those Russian dolls. As this is mostly brass, I use Brasso, my metal polish liquid. At first I will clean the steel driver heads using 3-in-1 oil, wet and dry paper and a small flat file. Once the driver heads have been cleaned, I apply Brasso with a brush to ensure thorough coverage. Using a soft cloth, I polish off the Brasso. Because the small driver heads are protected inside the body of the screwdriver, they are less tarnished and require less cleaning. Doing this small screw and cap was painful. I don't know what the medical condition is, but holding and working on small pieces like this causes a lot of pain in my hands. Using a brass brush attachment on a cordless drill allows me to get into all the nooks and crannies. Finished screwdriver is not pristine. That's not the purpose. The point of all these cleanups is to make the tool aesthetically pleasing so that it will not put anyone off using it. Nobody wants to use tarnished and rusty tools. Cleaning tools encourages use and helps preserve tools. These are merely cleanups, not restorations. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give us a like. You know where to do it. Subscribe to the channel and become a founder member of the Brighton Community Workshop Project. Links in the description. Cheers. Bye.